Up Windows 11 based operating system. So we've just gone through an epic installation of Metasploitable. Kali Linux is still downloading, still misbehaving. We'll get to that shortly once that's up and running, but it does take a long time, unfortunately. But we'll get that underway. But Windows should be, I want to say should be easier, but you never know. I think the tough part. I think the tough part's over. Yeah. How's everyone feeling, by the way? I know that you can't answer me because that's weird. But are you feeling good about this? That's good. I'm happy to hear that. So let's just get into Windows 11. Let's see if this works. I think we're on a roll here. Things are just working and running for us. All right. Now, previously, I downloaded Windows 11. I used a tool called, I forgot the name of it, by the way. I used a tool, Crystal Fetch, which sounds weird, and it sounds, anyway. But it's a good tool. Downloaded a copy of Windows 11. Now, let's see if we got value out of that. We paid nothing for it, so if this works, and that's great value. All right, now we're going to do this different than how we installed Metasploitable. By the way, Ubuntu finished downloading, so that one, we can go straight into that when we're doing the Ubuntu stage. So that's a win. We'll have to do Kali, we'll have to wait for that to load. But let's go and click on the plus symbol. This is for Windows 11 now. Virtualize. I've got a feeling this is going to be really easy. Then there's an operating system, there's Windows there. Install Windows or higher. We're going to browse to this directory. So lab software, and I think it's this one here. It's going to have a funny name there. Yeah, that's it. I should change it, but it doesn't matter. Open. Continue. Gonna have to leave it at 4, unfortunately. For Windows 11, don't bring it down underneath 4 because there's minimum requirements. Windows 11 does not work under 4. It just falls apart. So shut everything else down. What you're doing, what I'm going to do now. Unfortunately, I'm recording, so I can't shut the recording feature down. But I'm going to close everything else down. Okay, so what you do is you control the app down the bottom. Quit. Control. Quit. Control. Quit. Control. Like I got. I'm just going to delete that. The mail. Control. Quit. We have to get rid of everything. And then I will even. I'm going to quit the Safari browser as well. I don't want to, but I need to. Downloads are in progress. No, I can't quit that one. Really? Because I'm still waiting for that those Kali Linux and Ubuntu machines. Naughty. But anyway, should be okay. Let's continue. Let's see what happens. I might put 2 cores. Probably better to put 2 cores. Continue. Leave that at 64. We might need it on Windows 11. The only problem is I don't have much space. So let's have a look at disk space, disk utility. Yeah, I've got some space here. I think I should be okay. But just make sure that you've got enough space for this. Continue. Continue again. I'm going to put up Windows 11, and I don't think I have to mess around with any of the VM settings like we did in Metasploitable. Or do I? I think I should be okay. So long as Kimu is the engine there. Let's give this a go. Let's see what happens. I think we should be okay. If not, it'll tell us, and then we'll have to go back and change that configuration. But that's okay. That's troubleshooting. We love troubleshooting, don't we? Press up. By the way, press enter as quickly as you. Yeah. I need to press it quicker than that. I was too slow. So press OK. Let's try that again. You got to press the button, a key, quick. Press any key. Okay. This drove me crazy for days. I tried all different solutions, and all I had to do was tap that key. So I did all the mistakes. I did all the silly things so that I can show you, so I can teach you from my mistakes. A wise person learns from his mistake. An absolute genius and a guru and a brilliant person learns from other people's mistakes. So be the genius. Learn from my mistake. This is good. I've got a good feeling about this. Language to install. Leave it as US. Doesn't really matter. But time and currency, you should change that to Australia, because it's just annoying for us in Australia. But Americans use the date. They use the month before the date. I don't know why they do that. So that's fine. Keyboard is US. Doesn't matter. And this is just the Windows 11 setup. When it comes to the product key, just say, I don't have one, that's fine. Select Windows 11 Pro, next, great. And then accept. And this allocated space. And I'm looking at the step-by-step guide, and it's probably not that comprehensive. But you're watching the video here, and I'm going to walk you through the whole steps for Windows 11. It will restart, and then it will get us an error message. Don't worry about the error message. Just restart the machine. I'll show you when we get there. It looks a bit worrying, but this video is it's going to be a long video. Okay, just bear with us as this goes along. It shouldn't be this should not be that long, right? So actually what I might do, I'm going to end this and I'll call it part A, because I don't want you to wait too long, and then we'll do part B, picking up from this installation. So I'll see you in the next episode for part B. Thank you for viewing.